Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to stop high internet data usage on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are using your mobile data through hotspot or through cable and you have very less data, then I will show you how to set or how to stop high internet data usage on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first method is, first of all, you have to click on this settings, then click on network and internet, then select the internet. If you are using through Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi. After that, here you need to select your Wi-Fi. Here you will find metered connections. You have to make sure you have to enable this option. If it is disabled, just enable it, then close this window. And the second method is, you have to turn off your background apps. Click on start menu, click on settings, then click on privacy and security. If you are using Windows 10, you will find here background apps option. You can select that option and disable it. If you are using Windows 11, then you can skip this option, because in this you will not find any background apps. After doing this, then close this window. And the third option is, you have to pause your Windows update for temporarily. Just click on the start menu, click on settings, then click on Windows update, then click on advanced option. You have to make sure that you have disabled all these options. After that, here you can see active hours. You can select as manually, then set the start and stop time. After doing this, just close this window. Then the last method is, you have to set the data limit. For that, you just need to click on start menu, then click on settings, then click on network and internet, scroll down, click on advanced network setting. If you are using Windows 11, you will find advanced network setting. Suppose if you are using Windows 10, then here you will find data usage. After clicking advanced network setting, you will find data usage. Click on this. Here you can see enter limit. If you are using Windows 11, you will find set limit. I am using Windows 11, so I am seeing enter limit here. Click on this. Select monthly or one time monthly reset. Here you can set your data limit 1 GB, 2 GB, or if it is in MB, you can set as 400 MB, 500 MB, whatever you want. After doing this, just click on save, then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can stop high internet data usage on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.